Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Cohorted. So if you want to see what's inside in June 2021 Cohorted, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So today we're unboxing Cohorted June 2021. Sadly, lovelies, this is my last box from Cohorted because I decided last month to cancel it at the moment because I need to save money for something. So yes, for now I just cancel it, but I was to do the lineup spoiler of this subscription box. If you're new to Cohorted, this is a monthly premium subscription box. It works like 1 month advance upfront. Unfortunately, you won't receive this box if you subscribe today. You will receive the next month, and it costs £39.99 including the shipping fee. But if you want to purchase this box, you can purchase it as a one-off box, and it will cost you like £50. I think it will be available at the end of the month. All the info, as always, I will put in the description box below. So this month theme is the female forces. I love the theme this month. Gorgeous box as always, and let's open it. So this month we have the white box. It's usually or white or the black box, and let's open this box. So we have the black tissue paper here. Let's open it. So we have the card here, and it says, "We hope you enjoy your beauty box this month. Your box was handpacked with love with Suzanne." So we have the booklet as always, and it says, "The new generation of females, exclusive hashtag female forces." And this month box value is £119, and it says, "This June Cohorted are once again paying tribute to our female trailblazers. It can be ignored that some of the most successful founders are women, despite past society creating a stigma around females who created their own empires. It's thanks to some amazing ladies who shaped the business landscape for the modern era." And lots of love, Cohorted. Then we have the list of the product with all the description and the price, and let's see each product. So the first one we have here, it's the spoiler. This was the Laura Mercier. So this is the Caviar Mascara, and let's see what it says on the booklet. So this is a 3 ml, just a sample size. They didn't put any price on it. Applicator, it looks like this. I will not open it because I'm trying few mascara at the moment, and you know mascara, they tend to dry quickly. And here it says, "Indulge your lashes with the ultimate luxurious experience of Caviar Volume Panoramic Mascara. This thickening mascara offers intense volume, a full panoramic look, and irresistible soft touch lashes as it glides on effortlessly to create high impact volume and glossy intensity in one bold stroke. The look is wide-eyed, intense, and naturally sensual from every angle." So yes, so this is the first product. And then the next one we have here, and we received from this brand last month too, and this is from Pastel Mortar Glow Drops. Customizable tanning drops, self tanning enriched with hyaluronic acid. I would not use this one, as you know I don't use fake tan. I don't know if you can see it, lovelies. And inside the packaging is so, it feels luxury, lovelies. So it looks like this, and it has 15 ml. It's retail for £17.50, and it says, "A customizable tanning concentrate enriched with hyaluronic acid that delivers a natural sun-kissed glow as light or as dark as you prefer, free from alcohol, color, or fragrance. This glow drops delivers a natural sun-kissed glow without drying out the skin, enriched with hyaluronic acid for skin hydration." The next product, so excited for this one, and this is from Clarins Style 4 color all-in-one pen, eye, and lips. I remember this product. It was in the Look Incredible before, isn't it? And I was really curious of this product. So it's look like a pen, but you have 4 color inside. You have the red one that you can use as a lip liner. You have the black one. You can use this one as a eyeliner, and green one as an eyeliner, and the purple one as a liner or lip liner. This is really a good idea. And this one is a full size, and it's retail for 28 pounds. And it says an amazing all-in-one product for both the eyes and lips, used to give structure to your look in the morning or to touch up your look later on. Clarins innovative all-in-one multi-use pen is ready for summer in its limited edition green and Florida pink print, an intense black tip for graphic eyes, an emerald green to spring out all the colors in the iris, and intense plum. Enhance your look, further define the lips, and prevent makeup from running with the bright pink color, which can be also used on the eye contour. A handy travel size product, an all-in-one makeup pen for eyes and lips. Let's try the red one. There's a plastic there. You just need to twist it to take out the product, I think. Yeah, I'm not sure. We will see. But yeah, here is the shade Lovelies. It's not really a red shade. It has like a pink undertone too. And then the next product we have here, and this is from Grow Gorgeous, Intense Thickening Hair and Scalp Mask. It has 30 ml. I'm pretty sure this is just a deluxe sample size, and it's retail for 6 pounds. And it says visibly increase your hair thickness and softly nourish the scalp with this unique multitask. It has the caffeine, wakes up roots with stimulating boost, oat lipids complex, and reinforce the scalp natural protective barrier, helping to lock in moisture. Hyaluronic acid helps smooth and moisturize hair for a silky soft finish. Shea butter and coconut oil nourish, condition, and smooth hair, restoring suppleness and natural shine. Pia peptides, film forming and conditioning properties, smooth and create extra body to revive flat hair. Amino acid, a vital component of keratin, help to promote healthy looking hair. So here we go. And then the next one we have here, it's from Alia Skin. We received a product from this brand before, I think the mask one, but in this box we have the Australian Native Berries Moisturizer with macadamia oil to hydrate, restore, and replenish your skin. Suitable for all skin type. It has 80 grams, so I'm pretty sure this is a full size. And it says, Alia Skin's Australian Native Berries Moisturizer rehydrates, restructures, and repairs the skin. This moisturizer contains the bioactive complex of 3 Australian super berries, emu, apple, pepperberry, and rhubarb. These berries are rich in antioxidant vitamin E and anthocyanin, word that I can pronounce. So here we go, and big one. It's really big product. And we have another product from the same brand, and this is the Pomegranate Exfoliating Facial Scrub with pomegranate seed powder to deeply exfoliate your skin. Suitable for all skin type. Here we go, and this one is rated for £17.50, same price, and it is a vegan and cruelty-free brand. And it says pomegranate seed powder is a unique physical exfoliant that is gentle on the skin. Pomegranate offers incredible skin benefits, packed with vitamin C and antioxidant that combat inflammation and assist in eliminating redness and eczema. Perfect for my skin type. Pomegranate contains a high volume of antimicrobials, which helps to fight acne-causing bacteria and banish breakout. This facial scrub deeply exfoliates and removes dead flaky skin, leaving your complexion feeling fresher and smoother, while removing dead skin cell and dry skin. This scrub soothes and replenishes the skin with high-quality oils such as coconut oil, sweet almond oil, and macadamia seed oil. So here we go. And the next one we have here, and this is from NARS. And this is the High Pigment Longwear Eyeliner, and in the shade Sunset Boulevard. Here we go. It's like a gold one, and looks like this gold yellowish. Can open. It's really hard to open. Can't open it. but this is the shade, and this one is rated for 19 pounds. And it says, there's no holding back. The new high pigment Longwear eyeliner delivers unprecedented intensity in just one swipe. The blendable gel-like formula glides on with comfortable ease, instantly depositing rich color that sets in exactly where you want it and wears for up to 12 hours. A sharpenable tip defines waterlines and smoke out the lash line. I tried a few products from NARS eyeliner, the black one. They are really good. They last throughout the day. I honestly, this kind of shade I don't usually use, but yeah, I will try it in the inner part of the eye or in the waterline. We will see. Last product we have here, and this is the Stress Check Kind Hands Soothing Hand Cream for Dry Overwashed Hands. It has 75 ml. I know, pretty sure this is a full size, and it's rated for 10 pounds. And it says, an intensely moisturizing hand cream for use after hand sanitizer, formulated vitamin E and shea butter for dry and sensitive hands in need of relief. A super blend of vitamin E and shea butter provide instant and long-lasting comfort from extreme dryness and skin tightness, whilst omega-rich Bio Boost oil work hard to help maintain skin integrity and counter the effects of the environment. So here we go, the last product, and as you can see, it's done. Let's do a recap, lovelies. We have two eyeliner, lip liner here, which is, I think, it's too much in my opinion. We have the Clarins one with the style of 4 counters, and the NARS eyeliner in the shade Sunset Boulevard. 2 eyeliner in one box. It's quite, isn't it? Then we have the Grow Gorgeous Intense Thickening Hair Mask, Hair and Scalp Mask, 30 ml deluxe sample size. We have the full size, which is the Pastel and Mortar Glow Drops. I will not use it. I don't tan, so yes, I will give it away, or I'll put in the future giveaway. And then we have the Stress Check Kind Hands Soothing Hand Cream for Dry Overwash Hands from This Works. This smells really nice, so yeah, glad that I got in here. We have the sample size from Laura Mercier, the Caviar Mascara, and then we have the 2 full size from Alias Skin, which is the moisturizer and the scrub one. So yes, overall, lovelies, I really do like this box. For my last box, I really do like it. Few products I would not use, like the Glow Drops one, but definitely most of the products I will definitely use. And that's all, lovelies. What do you think of this box? Are you waiting for this box too? Let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes. And also don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.